Hello, in this video we will be demonstrating the finance module and which has basic setup like the organization, branches, etc. So let us see first to start with the branches. So we have the topmost layer is the branches. There are different types of branches. Okay, this is only for information, but each branch has a set of critical data like the GSTN number and the branch type and of course the e-invoice connected and other things. This abbreviation is used for document series creation for that specific branch. And this is the GSTN state code based on which the transactions are identified if it wants IGST or CGST, etc. So this is the basic branches, the name, GSTN number, address, everything. And each branch can also have a logo which will be printed on the documents. Then we have different type of document types. These are fixed in the application, like the bank payment receipts and all this. Roughly we have about 65 types of document types. Then we have the document series and voucher series. Voucher series basically means the 4 digits indicate the branch corporate office. Then maybe if I take this is the auto JV 2122. So similarly, if I see any bank type of transactions, so here you will see, maybe let's take this one. This indicates corporate office, bank payment 2122, and this is the bank account which has starting number, ending date, document series, running series, and whether you need who should verify, I mean which person having that specific role should verify or approve, or maybe conditionally I can skip the verify and approve and directly it can come to posting also. So this is the voucher posting account. That means we created the specific bank account. So whenever any payment is made, the reverse is made to this account, or receipt is made, the reverse is made to this account. And then this is the new document series creation. You can select the previous year and try to copy it and things like that. Not very that much. It is more a convenience. Similarly, for documents like the sales order, purchase indent, goods receipt, all these are document types, and these are connected into the document series. So these are the document types. We have adjustment plus cash payment, everything, which are connected in the document series, where we actually pick the document type, HR invoice or job order, whatever it is. So this is the basic setup of the branches, etc. Then we have the second setup is the taxes. So basically currently mostly the GST is only applicable. You have the GST defined, which can in turn be attached to a product or a material, and the GST state codes, and these state codes are used in the branches which we have defined earlier. Then we have the SAC and HSN codes. Then we have professional tax master. This is more for payroll accounting, may not be in the finance. We have IT master. This is also under payroll accounting. the maximum limit and all that. Then you have TDS sections which are important. So different sections and the applicable TDS, if any. Then of course we have exchange rates, which is used very limited scope in our application because the RBI rates keep changing and one has to judiciously use it. So this is about the tax part of it. Then we have in the finance, there is a setup, basically the accounts schedules. Basically, these are the schedules where we have sundry debtors, creditors, bank accounts, cash accounts, and transfer accounts. These are very high level accounting. Then we have balance sheet schedules where you define it is a three-layer type of numbering: A dot A dot BB dot CC dot. So you have, if you take any account, you have the schedule number defined and whether it is asset, list, or liability, and what level it is, second or third, or things like that. And these interns are linked to accounts master. Maybe when we go there, we will be able to know that. So as we have seen the balance sheet schedules, then we have the accounts master, or some people call it the chart of accounts. So here you have every account which is associated to a schedule and also associated to a type of account. This indicates, suppose it is fixed assets, so when we are creating a fixed asset voucher, only accounts which are tagged with this will appear. Similarly, payable accounts, there may be accounts because we have a huge number of accounts. So using this, we try to pick only relevant account heads. Even by mistake, you cannot pick. Similarly, we have sales posting and purchase posting and consumption posting accounts. So these type of accounts which are tagged as sales posting are generally attached to the products, so that when that particular product is sold, you post it to this sales account, and when such product is purchased, you post it to these type of accounts. So this is just to give you an idea of the thing. Suppose I wanted to see purchase posting accounts. So these are the purchase posting accounts. Different type of purchase posting accounts: stock transfer, that means purchase of shrimp, purchase of packing material, purchase of insurance, purchase of handling charges. These are all a part of purchase posting account, which appear in our, say, our purchase module. I go to purchase master, the materials. If I try to edit, I can pick the purchase posting accounts. So you will see only those things appearing here, like the glass and things like that. Okay, packing, raw material, different things. So we were in the finance module explaining the accounts master. So this account master, basically accounts master has basically the account code, which may be auto generated, or maybe it could be interactively entered. Then you pick the applicable schedule number, and then you fill based on if it belongs to any of these special things. And after that, we have what is called expenditure points. These are one level below, where, suppose you wanted to have telephone expenses of a specific phone number, you can have it. Or maybe something like an expenditure of special machines, you can create these type of expenditure points. You can say accommodation, food, and all that, where does it belong, and you can create the different types. What I meant is, suppose you have accommodation, you can say A class. So A class accommodation is one type, and same accommodation B class. So all these will get picked up into the basic application when we are making the vouchers. So this is the brief setup, and of course we have the budgets. Budget definition goes by lot many components which we will discuss in the next video. Thank you.